Holmarc's Auto Digital Measuring Microscope, model AIS B01 is an advanced, automated solution designed for high-precision small-scale measurements up to 50 mm. Equipped with a 3MP CMOS color camera and a Plan Achromatic 5x objective, the microscope delivers high-resolution imaging with enhanced clarity and precision. Its infinity-corrected optical system ensures sharp, detailed measurements. To provide optimal lighting, the system features adjustable high-brightness LED ring illumination for uniform top lighting and LED bottom illumination, ideal for measuring edge profiles. The system includes a motorized XY stage with a 50 mm by 50 mm travel range for efficient automated scanning and precise sample positioning. The motorized Z focusing stage, with an autofocus algorithm, ensures optimal image clarity by automatically adjusting the focus for each frame. Offering both auto and manual measurement capabilities, the microscope simplifies complex measurement tasks. It also supports automated scanning and stitching, enhancing productivity. Detailed measurement reports can be easily generated and exported in PDF format, providing comprehensive data for analysis. Tailored for industries that demand high-accuracy measurements, the AIS B01 delivers a reliable, user-friendly solution for achieving precise and repeatable results across a wide range of applications. Holmarc's Auto Digital Measuring Microscope, model AIS B01. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.